Ever wondered how to make your camping experience more enjoyable and memorable? Well, it all starts with your campsite. With a touch of creativity and a sprinkle of decorative flair, you can transform your campsite into a cozy, inviting outdoor haven. Let's delve into 10 creative ways to decorate your campsite and elevate your outdoor stay. Firstly, string lights. These little twinkling gems are a quick and easy way to add charm and ambiance. Opt for solar-powered or battery-operated lights to keep your campsite aglow without the need for electricity. Drape them around your tent or along tree branches for a magical glow when the sun dips below the horizon. Next, consider outdoor rugs. These bring the comforts of home right to your campsite. They not only define your campsite's sitting area, but also provide a clean, comfortable space to relax. Choose a durable and easy-to-clean rug that suits your camping aesthetic. Thirdly, invest in cozy seating. Comfortable camping chairs or floor cushions can transform your campsite into a social hub. Arrange them around a campfire pit or an outdoor table, and you've got the perfect spot for sharing stories under the stars. Fourth on the list is the DIY campsite sign. Personalize your space with a handmade sign featuring your family name or a fun camping-themed message. It's a unique touch that adds character to your campsite. Fifth, consider a campsite flag or banner. It's a fun, colorful way to showcase your camping spirit. Choose a design that reflects your interests, whether that's nature motifs, camping quotes, or flags representing your home state or country. Sixth, incorporate natural elements. Potted plants, driftwood, or rocks can enhance your campsite's aesthetic. They add a touch of greenery and create a rustic, outdoorsy vibe. Seventh, don't forget about your campfire decor. Fire-safe decor like metal lanterns or mason jar candle holders can make your campfire area cozy and inviting. And of course, always have marshmallow roasting sticks on hand for that classic camping treat. Eighth, celebrate with festive bunting or garlands. Whether it's a special occasion or just a regular camping trip, these decorations add a cheerful, festive atmosphere to your campsite. Ninth, consider hanging a hammock or swing. It's the perfect spot for reading, napping, or simply soaking in nature's beauty. Just make sure to choose a sturdy tree or use portable hammock stands for safety. Lastly, get creative with your table settings. Colorful tablecloths, placemats, and outdoor-friendly dishware can set the scene for memorable outdoor meals. Add a charming touch with centerpieces like wildflowers in mason jars or small lanterns. In summary, these 10 creative decorating ideas can transform your campsite into a welcoming and visually appealing outdoor oasis. From string lights and outdoor rugs to DIY signs and festive buntings, each element adds a unique touch to your outdoor experience. Remember, the goal is to enhance your camping experience while respecting the natural environment. So always clean up and pack out your decorations. Happy camping!